just speak to the Nyati guys. Stay here for a second. Anyone mobile here? Any Nyati station?
Lionesses were quite hungry though. They haven't eaten for a few days, but the cubs were fed by their fathers. They had a buffalo kill the other day. So they've not been doing too badly.
But you are still in your 40s, I can see that.
Yes, I am.
45.
44 next month.
I see. They look like a rabbit. It's fat.
Or go more to sleep. It's all good. Yeah. The impala snorting at something up ahead as well.
There should be sea level. Yeah, I'll take that. Obviously, all the crossover guys done,
Hyenas are a very, very misunderstood creature. They're one of the most efficient predators in the bush. Not just efficient at being predators, but efficient at raising their cubs, efficient at controlling a territory. No, not really. The mothers would have to come and suckle their own cubs.
You see big ones in it. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 5. How small ones? 5, 6.
Plus, I think there's 2 suckling there.
Yes.
There was a smaller one that went in the hole. The young ones are interested. The adults don't care. They don't care about rhinos. Nice to see all the different sizes there. That smallest one must be only just under a year old, maybe 6 to 8 months or something. There we go. See how they push the little one right in? Yeah, we're going to hunt an elephant. Huh? Yeah. Time to go.
المشكلة عند الشنطة.
Deze visie.
ちっちゃいのかわいい。小鳥にいる。小鳥にいてママの隣に座ってる。座ってる？
The submarine here is lying at just on the western side of power lines and the drainage line north of Dam 5.
Cruising there now.
Jason Mantuan and Yalabamba just to the east of Moon Rock, the Loxon Ulusaba Camp Channel. Committee of Year, Rita Kennel and Goliath.
Looking for insects.
Do you rescue injured animal here?
Not if it's an injury like this, no.
I see.
If it's unnatural injury, then we'll help it.
Ambassador, just off that channel off repeater there. What's got a Yalabamba? Quick Langiso's left, around Moon Rock. Thank you.
ジラフもいるって言ってない。ママ聞いて。ママ聞いて。ママ聞いて。ママ聞いて。聞いて。黄色いスポットに咲いてる。
ね、綺麗ですね。図鑑とかで見るよりちっちゃいんだな。あれ、目が出てるわけじゃないですかね。変わんなかったみんな。表面。あれ何？あれ。